Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Take a moment to let your body settle into a state of relaxation. When you're ready, start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your body soften, becoming more relaxed with each breath. One more deep breath in, and exhale, allowing your mind to quiet and your body to feel supported. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm, breathing slowly and calmly. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness inward. Take a moment to silently set an intention for this meditation. It might be something like, I choose to love and accept myself fully. Or, I am worthy of love. Allow this intention to fill your heart as you continue to breathe deeply. Now I want you to imagine a safe and peaceful space, a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a cozy room, a serene garden, or a quiet beach. Whatever place feels most comforting to you. In this space, there is no judgment, no pressure, only a sense of peace and safety. This space represents your inner world, a place where you can connect with your true self. As you settle into this space, notice how calm and supported you feel. You are completely safe here, and in this space, only love exists. Now bring your awareness to your heart center. Imagine a soft, warm light glowing in the center of your chest, radiating love and compassion. With each breath, feel this light expanding, growing brighter and warmer. This light is the energy of self-love, filling your heart with kindness, acceptance, and a deep care for yourself. As this light continues to grow, allow it to flow through your entire body, reaching your arms, your legs, and your head until every part of you is bathed in this loving energy. Take a moment to silently repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I am worthy of love. I am enough just as I am. I embrace all parts of myself with kindness. My imperfections make me beautifully human. Feel these words resonate deep within you. Let them become a truth that you carry in your heart. Now, think of a part of yourself that you may have been hard on lately. Whether it's something physical, an aspect of your personality, or a part of your past. Imagine this part of you in front of you as though you were holding it in your hands. As you hold this part of yourself, send compassion. Whisper to it, "You are loved. You are accepted. You are a part of me, and I honor you." Feel yourself softening toward this part of you, allowing it to be embraced by your loving heart. There is nothing to fix or change here, only love to offer. Now, imagine the light of self-love radiating even more brightly within you, expanding beyond your whole body, filling the entire space around you. This light is a reflection of the love you have for yourself, an infinite, unconditional love. As you breathe in, feel yourself receiving this love fully. And as you exhale, let go of any self-doubt, criticism, or judgment. With each breath, you are filling yourself with love, knowing that you are deserving of this care and compassion. Take a moment to bring gratitude into your heart. Gratitude for your body, for carrying you through each day. Gratitude for your mind, for its ability to learn and grow. Gratitude for your heart, for its capacity to feel deeply and love fully. Allow this gratitude to grow, filling you with appreciation for all that you are. Silently say to yourself, "I am grateful for who I am, just as I am." Now begin to gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your body fully supported and grounded. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining tension, knowing that you carry the energy of self-love with you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the room around you. Notice how you feel. calm, loved, and centered within yourself. As you move forward, remember that self-love is a journey, and you are deserving of love and kindness every step of the way. Honor yourself, care for yourself, and know that you are enough exactly as you are. Namaste.